Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to install the VirtualBox Extension Pack on Windows. First, make sure you already have VirtualBox installed on your computer. Open your web browser and go to the official VirtualBox download page. Scroll down to the section where you see the extension pack listed. It will usually be called Oracle VM VirtualBox Extension Pack, and it will match the version number of the VirtualBox software you installed. This is important. The version of the extension pack must be the same as the version of VirtualBox you are using. If they do not match, the extension pack will not work. Click on the link to download the extension pack. A small file with the extension pack will be saved to your computer. Once the download is complete, locate the file, usually in your Downloads folder. Now double-click on the extension pack file. VirtualBox will automatically open and show you a dialog box asking if you want to install the extension pack. Review the details and then click Install. You may see a license agreement. Scroll down and click I agree. The installation will begin and usually takes just a few seconds. After it finishes, you will see a confirmation message that the extension pack has been installed. Thanks for watching.